Good morning, students. In this video, we focus on Gauss elimination method. Solution of linear system by Gaussian elimination method. There are two types of methods to solve simultaneous linear algebraic equations with many unknowns. Direct method, Gauss elimination method, Gauss-Jordan method, and Krauss method. These are direct methods. Indirect method or iterative method, Gauss-Jacobi method and Gauss-Seidel method. Now we solve the system of equations by using Gauss elimination method. The procedure involved in this method is the given system is transformed to upper triangular matrix. Then by using back substitution, we obtain the solution. Examples: solve the system of equations by Gauss elimination method. 10x minus 2y plus 3z equal to 23. 2x plus 10y minus 5z equal to minus 33. 3x minus 4y plus 10z equal to 41. The given system of equations can be written as Ax equal to b. Here A is the coefficient matrix, capital X is the column matrix x, y, z, and capital B is 23 minus 33, 41, the column matrix. The augmented matrix is A, B, which is equal to 10 minus 2, 3, 23, 2, 10 minus 5, minus 33, 3 minus 4, 10, 41. Now, we transform this matrix to upper triangular matrix. We fix the first row and we change the second and third row by fixing the first row. To change the augmented matrix, we use some elementary transformations. For the row R2, we use 5R2 minus R1. R3 can be written as 10R3 minus 3R1. This is calculation. Now 5R2 minus R1. This is 0, 52 minus 28 minus 188. 10R3 minus 3R1. 10R3 minus 3R1 is 0, minus 34, 91, 341. Now we have changed the second and third row. Now, third row, second column element to be changed. We have to convert this element as 0. Okay. For this, we fix the first and second row and change the third row. R3, row 3. For R3, we use the elementary transformation as 52R3 plus 34R2. 52R3, just to multiply the row 3 by 52 and multiply the row 2 by 34. By adding these two, we have 0, 0, 3780, 11,340. Now, this is an upper triangular matrix. Okay. By using back substitution, we write 3780 z equal to 11,340. Therefore, z equal to 3. By substituting the value of z, we have 52y minus 28 z equal to minus 188. 52y minus 28 into 3 equal to minus 188. 52y is equal to minus 104. Therefore, y is equal to minus 2. Now, we substitute the value of y and z in 10x minus 2y plus 3z equal to 23. 10x minus 2 into minus 2 plus 3 into 3 equal to 23. 10x plus 9 plus 4 equal to 23. 10x equal to 10. Therefore, x equal to 1. Hence, we obtained the solution x equal to 1, y equal to minus 2, and z equal to 3. Second problem, solve the system of equations by Gauss elimination method. 2x plus y plus 4z equal to 12. 8x minus 3y plus 2z equal to 20. 4x plus 11y minus z equal to 33. This is the given system of linear equations. Now, we write the given system as Ax equal to b. A is the coefficient matrix and capital X is the column matrix X, Y, Z, and capital B is the matrix, column matrix 12, 20, 33. The augmented matrix is 2, 1, 4, 12, 8, minus 3, 2, 20, 4, 11, minus 1, 33. It is denoted as matrix A, comma B. Now we transform this matrix to upper triangular matrix. Now we fix the first row and we change the second and third row. The row 2 can be written as R2 minus 4 R1 and row 3 can be written as R3 minus 2 R1. This is R2 minus 4 R1 and this is R3 minus 2 R1. Now the row 2 is divided by 7 and third row which is divided by 9 for the simplification purpose. The augmented matrix A, comma B, which is equivalent to 2, 1, 4, 12, 0, minus 1, minus 2, minus 4, 0, 0, minus 3, minus 3. Here we used the elementary transformation for R3, which is equal to R3 plus R2. R3 plus R2, this is simplification. R3 plus R2 is 0, 0, minus 3, minus 3. This matrix is upper triangular matrix. To obtain the solution, we use back substitution method. Minus 3 is equal to minus 3. Therefore, z equal to 1. By using the value of z in minus y minus 2 is equal to minus 4, we have minus y minus 2 equal to minus 4. Therefore, y is equal to 2. By using the values of y and z in 2x plus y plus 4 is equal to 12, we have 2x plus 2 plus 4 equal to 12. 2x equal to 6. Therefore, x equal to 3. Hence, the solution is x equal to 3, y equal to 2, and z equal to 1. This is the last problem. Solve the system of equations by Gauss elimination method. We are given the system x plus y plus z equal to 9, 2x minus 3y plus 4 z equal to 13, 3x plus 4y plus 5 z equal to 40. This is the system of linear equations. Now we transform this system to upper triangular matrix. Then by using back substitution method, we obtain the required solution. The given system can be written as Ax equal to B. Here A is the coefficient matrix and capital X is the column matrix XYZ. This is to be found unknowns. Capital B is 9, 13, 40. The augmented matrix, which is denoted as matrix A, comma B, which is equal to 1, 1, 1, 9, 2, minus 3, 4, 13, 3, 4, 5, 40. Now, we transform this system to upper triangular matrix. First, we fix the first row. We change the second and third row. For the row 2, we use the elementary transformation as R2 minus 2 R1. And R3, for R3, we use R3 minus 3 R1. These are the elementary transformations. Now, we fix the first 2 rows and we change the third row. This is equivalent to 1, 1, 1, 9, 0, minus 5, 2, minus 5, 0, 0, 12, 60. Here, we used the elementary transformation, namely 5R3 plus R2. R3 can be written as 5R3 plus R2. This matrix is an upper triangular matrix. Okay. To get the solution, we use back substitution method. 12 z equal to 60. Therefore, z equal to 5. Minus 5y plus 2 z equal to minus 5. We use the value of z in the equation. Minus 5y plus 2 z equal to minus 5. Minus 5y plus 10 equal to minus 5. Therefore, y is equal to 3. Now, we use the values of y and z in the equation. X plus y plus z equal to 9. X plus 3 plus 5 equal to 9. Therefore, x equal to 1. Hence, the solution is x equal to 1, y equal to 3, and z equal to 5. Thank you.